Welcome to my channel. Today we're making Raspberry Crinkle Cookies. We're going to need 60 grams unsalted softened butter, 30 grams neutral oil, 80 grams granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 160 grams all-purpose flour, 22 grams freeze-dried raspberries, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and then for rolling we're going to need 2 tablespoons granulated sugar and 4 tablespoons powdered sugar. We're going to start by grinding our freeze-dried raspberries into a fine powder. Then we're going to mix the flour, cornstarch, salt, baking powder, and raspberry powder. Here you're going to have to sift the raspberries through a fine mesh to remove the seeds. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to beat the softened butter, sugar, and oil until light and fluffy. Then we're adding the egg and vanilla and beating until fully combined, about half a minute. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet and carefully fold until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Cover the dough and chill for an hour. After chilling, scoop the dough into small balls, approximately 30 grams each. Then first roll them in granulated sugar and then generously in powdered sugar. Do not brush off the excess. Place them on a lined baking tray and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are set and the tops are crackled. They might look slightly soft. Then let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, transfer to a wire rack, and enjoy. Thanks for watching!